So the question is the correct order of N compound and its decreasing order of oxidation states. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find the oxidation states, oxidation number. Then we can solve this question. So the options are 1, 2, and 3, 4. So let's do, and we know that how to calculate the oxidation number. So oxidation number of the first one is HNO3. The oxidation number of N will be here is oxidation number -2 plus 1. Understanding? So it will be oxidation number will be 5. So oxidation number will be 5 here. Oxygen have oxidation number -2 and it have H1 have +1. That's why. Okay, and NO. So oxygen have oxygen is still -2, so it have +2. Nitrogen have +2 now because the oxygen have -2 now, and to balance this will have +2. So it have -2 means -6 of oxygen and +1 of hydrogen. Then nitrogen have +5. And you have to know that thing, that oxygen have -2 oxygen state and hydrogen have +1 oxygen state. Then you can do it. Okay, so it have +5, it have +2, and NO, N2, it have 0. Okay, now NH4Cl. So +4. Okay, so and calcium, that will be -3, 7 minus Ka. Okay, so the answer number 1 will be, option number 1 will be correct. Number 1 is HNO3, number 2 will be NO, number 3 will be N2, and number 4 will be NH4Cl. Okay.